Installation Guide for Fire Alarm Transmission Device, FCOM. FCOM is a fire alarm transmission device that monitors fire alarm systems, fire alarm control panels, interconnected fire alarm devices, monitoring modules, or other devices and transmits signals to the management server. FCOM also is able to control sirens, lights and other devices in the fire alarm system. Users can configure operational settings, manage FCOM devices, assign names and addresses to every single FA control panel or detector in the network, and monitor the status of devices in the interconnected mesh network through the mobile app. FCOM 1 in brief. FCOM 1 is made for the purpose of transmitting signal from any FACP to the mobile app. It also makes phone call to the user while having fire alarm. On the device, LED bulbs are arranged order from left to right for showing the status of 1. Power. The LED is turned on once being connected to 220 voltage AC power source. The light turned off while using battery only. 2. The second LED shows error status of the device. 3. The third LED light up on receiving alarm signal from detectors or FACP. 4. LED number 4 shows if the devices is connected to internet or not. Once connected, it blinks slowly after every 3 seconds, and blinks after every 0.3 second continuously without internet connection. 5. LED number 5 is blinking fastly while this FCOM 1 device is in setting mode. Number 6 is LED for showing 4G, 3G status. It flash when having 3G connection and turn off while has not 3G signal. In the backside, NO, NC relays are arranged order from left to right, that are 1. Fire alarm monitor input, to be connected to the fire alarm NO contact on the FACP. 2. Fault monitor input, to be connected to the fault NC contact on the FACP. 3. Button for adding devices. While using the mobile app for adding detectors or other devices to the network, you need to press this button and hold for 5 seconds. Please find more details in the app manual. 4. Data erase button. Please make sure that you have been trained before using this button, because once being pressed for long enough, all the data on this FCOM 1 shall be erased permanently. Number 5 button is for turning on and off. The last one is where you should connect the AC power supply. FCOM 2 instructions. In an interconnected network of detectors and call points, FCOM 2 take the role of receiving every signals and transmit them to cloud server. Then signals will be analyzed and send relevant notifications to user's mobile app. It is totally the same as FCOM 1 except for not having the input relay for connecting to FACP. Let's see how we can install and configure this device on the mobile app. Please start with accessing Google Play for Android operating system or Apple Store for iOS operating system. Then search for the FireSmart app and install it following the steps for a normal application. Registering or logging in. Step 1. Launch the FireSmart app on your phone's screen after installation. Step 2. Proceed with registration or log in using your phone number. Step 3. Enter the OTP, one-time password, sent to the registered phone number. Connecting FCOM panel to the FireSmart app. Step 1. Enable Bluetooth on the phone that has the FireSmart app installed. Step 2. Open the app and tap on the plus symbol to add a device. Step 3. Select the device type that matches the type of FCOM device you want to add. Click on the icon on the right side, named Intercom BLE. Then enter the Wi-Fi password that the phone is currently using, then press Confirm. Step 4. Turn on the power switch on the FCOM panel. The panel's address will appear on the app. Connect to it. Step 5. Name the device and save it. Adding a device with FCOM 1. Step 1. Connect FCOM to the fire jack and fault jack on the fire control panel. Step 2. Press the Add Sub-Device button on the app screen and the setup interface will appear. Step 3. When the screen switches to the device search interface, hold the Add Device button on the FCOM panel for 5 seconds. Step 4. Wait a few seconds for the device to connect to the app. On the app screen, select the device. Step 5. Set a name for the device to choose a location, area to save. Adding detection devices with FCOM 2. Step 1. Press the Add Sub-Device button on the app screen and the setup interface will appear. Step 2. When the screen switches to the device search interface, power the detection device, install the battery, then press and hold the linking button until the bell on the device stops ringing. Step 3. Wait a few seconds for the device to automatically connect to the app. Tap on the device on the app screen. Step 4. Name the detection device, select its location and area, then save. Step 5. Repeat the same steps for other devices. Sharing access permission on the app. Step 1. On the app, tap on the house and building management icon. Step 2. Select the area to be shared. In case of monitoring multiple areas, devices, choose the correct one for effective sharing. Step 3. Add members. Step 4. Click on the invite to follow the link. The app will display a QR code. At that point, the person being shared with will scan the QR code. On the receiver's phone, tap on Scan QR Code and scan the QR code provided by the sharer. After successfully scanning the QR code, you will be able to monitor the shared house and construction site.